Hello, welcome back to ReReViews, ReReViews, and we're back here with another product. I just snuck out to Walgreens and found out Olay got some stuff going on, so I picked it up. So first we have the Olay body oil. It is a 3-in-1 oil and serum complex with argan oil, rosehip oil, and collagen. Notes of creamy vanilla, juicy plum, and golden amber. Yes, it says notes on a body oil. So we're getting real expensive, real fancy. Like this was $14. So this is what it looks like on the inside when you take it out. And then when I say it's an oil, my arm is a little dry right now. It is an oil. It's not skimpy. It's not drying quick. It got me shining down and down. And it got a pretty shine to it. Almost like they put argan oil. But yes, that is good. It smells like a vanilla ice cream cone. And then this is the biggest one I saw that I was like, I gotta see what's going on. So this is the Olay Repair Serum Body Lotion. And the type firming, it repairs lipids, vitamin B3, collagen peptide. It says 3 weeks to visibly firm, lift, and tighten skin. It don't say nothing about a scent. Oh yes it do. Notes of blackberries and moonflower. I didn't see that when I got it. I just tried it. So we're gonna mix this with the good cocoa vanilla scent. And when I tell you I done made something, I done made something. Now I say blackberries, it smell like blackberries. Like a blackberry vanilla frappe. Frappes don't have a smell for real. Like a blueberry, cinnamon, apple pie. So we're gonna go ahead and try both of these guys out for a couple days, get the feeling of what's going on with them, and I give you a full review. But right now, this guy right here, with all his blackberry fullness and moonflower goodness, whatever moonflower is, because I never smelled moonflower. But so far I give it a 8.922745. And for the thick with only K's, 5C oils, just off of the smell and the body oil situation, and get a 9.7 for me. But this is first reviews. I'm going to re-review it once I get into it for a couple of days, figure out what's going on. But that is the combo right now. And I'll come back and let y'all know how it's going, what it feel like, what the smell lasts, what the smell and smell like together, what kind of energy it brings. And I bring it all to y'all when it's right and done. All right, so thank you for tuning in. And I'll catch you back with the re-review of these two products. These are the Olay Repair Serum Body Lotion and Enriched Body Oil.